guess what? The snow's gone. And they're putting up walls. That's a garage door, that's a garage door, that's a garage door, that's a garage door, that's a garage door. Wow, look at this piece. All right, I want to try and give you a better view of what the front of Phase 2 looks like, where they are connecting the service drive with the old shop. So these are all the garage doors that will open up into the current part of the shop that we're in right now. And that's a door. So I'm currently standing where the new service drive is going to be. There's going to be 5 new entrances. There's going to be 3 express service entrances, which is for our oil changes, and then there's going to be 2 service entrances for regular shop work. And they are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, that's the end of the vlog.